Are you looking for the best camping stoves of 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best camping stoves of 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Classic 2-burner propane stove. The budget-friendly Coleman Classic, you can snag it for less than $50, is a suitable option. Though it lacks convenience features and isn't quite as reliable or high-performing as other models, the propane camping stove has two 10,000 BTU burners to get routine cooking tasks like boiling water, frying eggs, and warming soups done. It's worth noting that the spacing between the grates is exceptionally wide compared to higher-end models. Testers had trouble keeping smaller pots and pans balanced. The lid is also a bit floppy and has to be propped to stay open. Cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner on a dependable stove that packs up easily with the Coleman Classic propane gas camping stove. The two burners put out 20,000 total BTUs of grilling power and are shielded from the wind by adjustable wind-blocking panels. Rest assured, your stove will perform consistently even in extreme conditions thanks to the pressure regulator. At number 2. 3-zone portable camping stove. It's easy to see why freestanding models are better suited to car camping than backpacking, though this stove has 3 powerful burners and tons of surface space, 568 square inches total. For cooking, it weighs a whopping 58 pounds that renders it impossible to carry any sort of distance. On the upside, because the stove is so hefty, testers say it's sturdy enough for multiple cast iron pans. Set it up in your backyard in place of a regular grill, or take advantage of its folding capability and take it car camping, picnicking, or to a beach barbecue. A pull handle and rugged wheels allow you to transport from car to cooking spot with relative ease before unfolding the stove to its full glory. Outland Living is committed to consumer safety and satisfaction. All of our propane products are CSA approved. Selecting a propane product with an accredited certification ensures not only your safety has been considered, but also the design and manufacturing standards have been approved through independent expert testing. At number 3. Ghosan Solar Oven Portable Stove. A fuel-free tabletop camping stove that steams, fries, and bakes, all thanks to the power of the sun. How exactly? Food nestles into the unique cylindrical tube and absorbs a broad spectrum of radiation that powers the stove up to 550 degrees F in full sunlight. Without full sun, the 2-pound vacuum system still works, albeit slightly less efficiently. What's more, testers say the food prep space is exceptionally small, which takes away from the stove's practicality. At the end of the day, it's a novel choice, but not a camping gadget avid hikers and backpackers should depend on as their sole cooking source. Propane barbecue grill outdoor, camping stove propane, portable power station, oven, solo stove, camping accessories, portable barbecue, camping gadgets, propane burner, propane stove, pellet grill, portable grill, butane stove, barbecue grill, fire pit grill, camping grill, campfire grill, hiking accessories, barrel stove kit, outdoor grill, solar oven, portable stove, solar oven, camp stove, camping gear, camping stove, survival gear, camping cookware, portable stove, backpacking stove, camping oven. At number 4. GS 1000 Portable Butane Gas Stove. When your needs are basic, this incredibly affordable single-burner camping stove will please. It doesn't have quite as much power, just one 7,650 BTU burner, so expect to wait a bit longer for water to boil. It also lacks extras like windscreens. What it does have going for it, though, is a relatively compact size, 13.5 by 11.2 inches, a lightweight design, 2 pounds, and versatility. It's easy to operate, too, thanks to an automatic ignition and simmer control.